In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert circle area formula in Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to calculate the area of a circle. This can be a new worksheet or an existing file where you're already working with data. The goal is simply to have a place where you can enter a radius and let Excel calculate the area for you automatically. Next, prepare your sample data. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through B2. This gives you a simple setup to work with, and it helps keep your worksheet organized. Typically, you'll want one cell to hold the radius value and another cell to show the calculated area. Keeping those values clearly separated makes the formula easier to understand and update later. Now it's time to enter the formula. Click on cell B2. Then type an equals sign to begin the formula. After that, enter PI open and close parentheses, then type an asterisk, followed by A2, then a caret, and finally the number 2. Written together, the formula is equals PI open and close parentheses times A2 squared. This formula works because the mathematical formula for the area of a circle is PI times radius squared. In Excel, PI parentheses returns the value of PI, and the caret symbol tells Excel to raise the radius to a power, in this case 2. So if cell A2 contains the radius, Excel will calculate the area instantly using that value. If your radius is stored in a different cell, simply replace A2 in the formula with the correct cell reference. For example, if your radius is somewhere else in the sheet, the formula should point to that cell instead. You can also change the radius itself by typing a different number into the radius cell, and Excel will recalculate the area automatically. That's one of the biggest advantages of using formulas in Excel. It updates results without needing to do the math manually each time. Once the formula is complete, press enter. Excel will immediately calculate and display the area of the circle in cell B2. Now you can view the result and confirm that the formula is working correctly based on the radius you entered. If needed, you can test it with other radius values to make sure everything updates as expected. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a circle area formula in Excel.